Today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make easy tzatziki sauce. This is an easy sauce to make and it's wildly popular for a reason. You can use it with like pita bread or as a dip for vegetables. You can put it on a gyro. No matter how you eat it, this sauce is so fresh and so delicious. You're going to love it. It's also super easy to make at home. We're gonna start by mincing up some fresh dill. You wanna mince that nice and fine. You'll need about a tablespoon, and you measure that after it's minced. I always recommend using fresh dill for tzatziki sauce, but if you wanna use dried dill, you'll only need 1 teaspoon. Then we'll go ahead and put this into a mixing bowl. Next, peel a cucumber. Then you'll only need half of the cucumber, so you can dip the other half in the tzatziki sauce. Just chop that up nice and small. Then we'll add this in with our dill. Next, you'll need 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and I like for that to be freshly squeezed, and we can go ahead and pour that in. Then you'll add in half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, and you can use the non-fat plain Greek yogurt or the traditional. I like to go for full fat. The more fat, the better, because that means flavor. Then we'll pour in 1 tablespoon of good quality extra virgin olive oil, 1 clove of finely minced garlic, and last, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then just go ahead and stir this together until well combined. And then you are ready to eat. I love the fresh, bright flavor that the dill brings, but in some regions of the world, they replace the dill with freshly chopped parsley or even minced fresh mint leaves. Now I'm gonna transfer mine to a little serving bowl. Then, like I mentioned earlier, you can serve it up with vegetables and pita bread for dipping, which is always super delicious. Or you can use it as a sauce for gyros or other types of sandwiches. No matter how you serve it up, this one is always a crowd favorite. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.